Have you ever heard a donkey make a really loud noise? Why? Donkeys are known to have very loud and distinctive voices. This voice can be heard up to 3 kilometers away. But why are they screaming that loud? So, this loud sound is their way of long-distance communication. Because in the wild, donkeys live in large areas such as deserts or mountains. They need a sound that can be heard from a distance to find friends or notify them of danger. What's even more exciting is that donkeys can recognize each other just from their voices. They have a unique sound code like a human fingerprint. Cool, right? Want to know more about other unique animals? Come on, follow. Thank you.